No, it wasn't Jared.
Yeah, he did. He jumped.
And he threw him off.
He did. He jumped and drew it. There we go. Good job. Caught him. Caught him. I don't know what he was doing.
The Red Raiders defense a little anxious on that one. Jet Waters on the key. Oh. Ball's loose, but he was called down. Again, Brett Harper, number 5, in on the tackle.
Cover the football up. If you're going to lead in the hole and lead to somebody. Just don't run there and stop. Blue 7.
Waters with a give to number 20, Mason Turner. Found a little bit of ground to run on. Taken down by Stelling and Hayward from the Red Raiders.
Come on, line. Let's block somebody. Line, let's go. Check it. Check it. Check it. Going down. Let's go.
Jet looking to pass. Maybe there. Off the fingertips of 4. Patrick McCracken.
Good job, Jet.
Nice toss by Waters.
Blue 17. Patrick, you're on the line.
2nd and 10 coming up.
Come on, line. Let's go, Hurricanes. Get up, go, go, go.
Hand off to number 7, Hannah, bouncing out. Fighting for a last yard.
Hey, you turn around looking to see what happens.
Nate Wadka, and again, Brett Harper in on the tackle.
Quit turning around looking.
There's a flag on the play. Looks like a little bit of holding.
Come on, Jared. Blue 12. Come out, Patrick. Come out.
They're marking them off at about the 27. 2nd and a ways to go.
Check it. Check it. 1. Hey.
Jet Waters looking for a receiver. Intended receiver, number 20, Mason Turner.
Jared.
Blue 11. Hey, Dane. Get back, Dane. That's the ref.
Full speed, everything. Full speed, Mason. Let's go. Go line. Come on, Kane.
Feel that.
Give to 21. Bouncing to the outside, trying to find an edge. Again, number 5, Brett Harper from the Red Raiders was there to answer the call.
Hey, boy, keep the ball there,
Get you open. Grayson, good snap.
Alec, Will, move over. Move over. To the outside, move over. Get there, Mason.
The kick is off.
Get on there.
28 on the run. Brought down by 20, Mason Turner. Six rolling out, looking to make the pass, tucks it down, going to try to get a couple yards, not sure where to go, bouncing back, bouncing in. He's all over the place, trying to get an edge. He may have some room here. "67-yard run for a gain of 2.
You got 2, Patrick. You got 2, Patrick. You're on this side. Patrick. That's you, Will.
Russell rolls out, looking for a receiver. Ball comes out. The Hurricanes are there. Number 20, Mason Turner from the Hurricanes, blows that one up.
That's what you do, kid. Pat yourself on the head and have a good play. Who 11? Chris, go to receiver. Alec, middle. Who 11? Hit it. Come on, Lon, let's go.
Jet Waters on the give to Bailey. Bailey to the outside. Oh. Number 7, David Bracco, there on the tackle. Jet Waters with the give to 44 on the tackle. Branson Hickman. Give to 21. Collins trying to get the outside, fighting for the yards. Number 5, Brett Harper on the tackle. With a little bit of help from Wadko, number 13. Mason Turner on the carry. Number 22, Andrew Stelling on the field tackle. Quick reminder that only registered ASA coaches with coaching badges can be on the field. If you're not an ASA coach, please remove yourself from the field. Yes, that means you guys looking up here. Gotta hop out the field. Sorry, fellas. Ball comes out. They called down. .44, Branson Hickman on the tackle. Mr. Hickman with a large audience here today supporting him. Number 1 on the pass to 8, trying to find some space. Brought down by McCracken and Hannah. Russell looking for the pass, keeps it, trying to find some room. There he goes again. All right. Brought down by number 12, the Jet, Waters. 28 rolling back for the pass, looking for a receiver. Came up a little short. Carson Hart rolling out, looking for a receiver, lots of pressure. We've got a pick intercepted. Mason Turner on the interception, trying to go. That's ball game, folks. Thank you all very much for coming out today. We appreciate it.